Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited because the pollen has ceased and it's time to get on my back patio and get it ready for the spring and summer. And I want to take you along for the journey. And I also want to thank my friends at Hobby Lobby because you all know how much I love Hobby Lobby to help me refresh my home at the start of a new season, and especially for spring and summer this year. So let's get started. Okay friends, so the first step is to clean my patio. It is full of pollen and dust and it really needs a good cleaning, and I'm going to actually pressure wash it. I'm going to take the smaller things out and wash those separately, and I'm not keeping everything out here the same. I'm definitely going to give it a refresh, but first we just have to get the furniture and all of that cleaned along with the cushions. So I'm basically unloading the winter cushions. I'm going to replace these with our spring cushions, but I'm also going to clean these before I store them away. Now that the entire patio is clean and it's smelling amazing, I'm going to leave it for about a day and a half so that the cushions can dry fully before I store them away. And then I'm going to get started with the fun part of switching things out and refreshing the space for this spring. And of course, I have to head over to my home away from home, Hobby Lobby, just to get a few special touches. And I also want a new rug for the space. And friends, it is no secret why I love Hobby Lobby, because when I'm trying to get things done in my home, they are that one-stop shop. I don't have to run around town to 10 different stores to find a pillow here, a rug here. I come to Hobby Lobby and they have everything from my outdoor to my kitchen to my bedroom. It doesn't matter what space in my home, they always have me covered. I thought these outdoor bumblebee pillows were so cute, and I absolutely love their outdoor selection for the spring. It is just beautiful and so many different options. And that's the other thing that I love. They have so many options that no matter what your style, you're covered. And I was specifically looking for an outdoor rug, and when I came across this one, I love that it was in that navy blue color that I have in my back patio. You all know I always tend to keep blue back there, but they also had multiple options, so I really had choices, and I love that. And friends, Hobby Lobby did not disappoint with the spring outdoor collection this year. They have so many rows and rows and rows in the store. You can even shop online of all things outdoor. It is just amazing. I had so much fun looking around and getting inspiration for what I wanted to do to refresh my actual patio. And I was so excited because I scored some really nice finds to really refresh the back patio, and I can't wait to get home to share what I got with you and put the patio together. But I did stop by the Hobby Lobby fabric section because they have an amazing selection of fabrics for outdoors that you can get to spruce up your space. I needed a little piece of fabric for a table that did not look the greatest, and I wanted to just kind of put something over it, so I'm going to grab something that can just cover that up. And then I ran into these lights that are battery operated that I thought if you needed something for your back patio, this is really cute, and you could put your batteries in and you didn't have to worry about wires. But friends, they definitely had me covered. I got everything I need. I want to go back home and I want to share with you all of the wonderful finds that I found at Hobby Lobby, and definitely excited about putting this space together because I feel really confident now that I have everything that I need down to my entertaining pieces. So let's go back home. So now that we're back home, let me show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. I did get that basket, and this is going to be my patio drop basket for all of my things when I'm back here. And then I fell in love with these cups a while back, so I'm so happy that I picked them up because they are the perfect touch to bring a little warmth to my patio. And I needed some planters, 2 small planters that I could use on the 2 tables out here, and I love these. Perfect size. They're going to be wonderful. And then the other thing that I wanted to get while I was in Hobby Lobby are just a few little accessory touches that could have function but beauty. And then the tea towels. I love tea towels, and I found the perfect ones that would be great out on my back patio. They really had some cute options. And then this is the piece of fabric that I got to cover that not so pretty table. And I did pick up some fabric pieces that just come in bundles, the quarters, because these are great to use as budget-friendly napkins. And so I just said, let me grab a few and give it a try. I'm excited about these. And how cute is this, friend, to keep those little charcuterie boards and things covered from all of the little gnats and things or flies during the summer. I thought that this was a must-have for the patio, so definitely pick that up along with my beautiful new outdoor rug, which I am super excited about. So friends, I am super excited to get everything put together. And another thing is, remember my plates? I'm so excited to be able to use these now for the spring out on my back patio. I did get these from Hobby Lobby. I showed these to you in another video, and they are just so much fun. They fit my decor, and I can't wait to use them. So now let's get this patio put together. So friends, these are the fabric pieces that I use for the little napkins in the cup. Really fun, and I just want to share this again because this is a great budget-friendly way to create your napkins. And then that little kind of tray, wooden tray that I got, I'm using those to put our playing cards. We love to sit back out here, Mike and I, and play cards or tic-tac-toe, and so that is a little fun holding place for it. And that's a tip, friend, is when you're out on your patio and you have those things that you like to keep out there, create spaces for them, like a little bowl to keep your remote for your ceiling fan, or a tray for your beverages, and it just really helps keep things orderly while you're entertaining and while you're enjoying your patio for the spring and summer. And friends, this is the finished patio. Look how that rug that I got from Hobby Lobby looks so perfect for the space. It really coordinated with my spring cushions, and I also got those beautiful pillows from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love them, and I thought they really complemented, the accent pillows really complemented the cushions that I had for the space. And friends, this is so cozy now. We have our grill ready, and it's also in that blue that coordinates with the space, and we are so ready for Mike to get out here and start grilling. And friends, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and be a part of the At Home with Nikki family. And definitely do not forget to check out Hobby Lobby for all of your outdoor needs this spring. They have you covered. I'll put the link in the description box below. And friends, have a beautiful rest of your day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.